Hi, this video shows how to render in React under conditions and if-else statement. So what we see here is my my React page, and I don't want to see this button all the time. So what shall I do? So in here is the code which shows that button. So this is a link to and then fab color. So this is the material UI. This is the link block, and I want to make a if-else condition. So if we want to do that, then I simply follow a small rule which is written in here. I make some curly brackets, then an if statement, a question mark, then two round brackets, double point, and then the closing. This is the if and this is the else. So we do it in this way. I think simply I can take it in this case from there. I would say if something happens, then I do the first block. Otherwise I do a closing block, and then I have also to add the closing bracket, curly bracket, and then now you see this is my if statement. Then in this case it's if I am the owner from the React. Then this is if the one is true. Then I have the double point, and then I have the closing, and there's inside there's nothing. So when we have nothing, we will do it like this, a tag and a closing tag. That's all what we need. Control A, Control K, Control F. So this formats all that stuff again. And now I'm saving it. Yeah, I'm saving it. Now it's refreshing, and it will show that that block only if this statement is true, and in this case it's false. And you will find, as always, my code on my website.